Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. I want to take just a couple minutes and show you this new Chevy Silverado that just arrived on our lot. It's a 2018 four-wheel drive unit, has a 5.3 liter V8 engine in it, so it's going to have plenty of power. Just wanted to show you the design on the hood. It actually is a beautiful truck, very beautiful red color. The interior is gray. I'll show you the interior in just a minute. It does have nice rims and plenty of tread left on this. Now this truck has a remainder of the factory warranty from Chevrolet, so that's going to be some peace of mind for you. So I'll walk around here, show you this step bumper on here. Actually helps you get into the bed a little bit easier. This truck does have a rear view backup camera right there. So let me go ahead, lower the tailgate. It does have a bed liner in it. If you notice, it does have tinted window on the back glass. So let me walk on around the step bumper. Let me back up and show you the rear part of the truck. Nice tinted windows on it. So let me go ahead, I'm going to open the back first, show you the interior. It is a gray color cloth. Headliner seems to be in good condition on it. Two-tone gray on your door panels. Plenty of leg room in the back on this too. Let's go ahead and show you the interior in the front of the cab. And show you the door panel on this and all your controls. So I am going to hop up in here and we'll go ahead and actually start the truck up, show you what the instrument cluster looks like. So let me go ahead and pull back here first, show you the steering wheel. It's got a nice comfort on the feel of it. You do have controls right here for your cruise control. But I'm going to zoom in on the instrument cluster. You can see, as at the time of this video, the miles on it is 32,290. So you've got a 3-year, 36,000 main warranty on all components, and then a 5-year, 60,000 mile drivetrain warranty from Chevrolet. So that's going to be peace of mind. It does have brake assist on it, your controls for your lighting. And we're going to go over here. It does have a LCD control center, and walk down here, controls your home screen. And for example, if you want to click your audio, brings up the audio. Now this does have backup camera, as I mentioned when we were on the outside, and I'll show you that in just a moment. Your heating, cooling controls in here, and additional controls right here. On the floor, you do have your selector for your 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, and control right here on. Now let me go ahead and drop this down. I'm getting ready to drop it down in reverse. I'll show you the backup camera. So that's a nice safety feature that you've got on this Silverado. Now pan around here, center console. You've got 3 cup holders here, storage compartment. This will open up. Now the entire unit will fold up. So I'm going to turn around, show you the back seat. Now that center console will pull down. You have an additional 2 cup holders that are back there. But it's actually, appears to be a very nice truck inside. Very nice, especially with those low miles on it and the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. So just wanted to take a minute, show this to you. We do have several banks, lenders that are very eager right now, to be quite honest with you, to loan money on the vehicles. So we've got a lot of nice financing options available. Many of them, you don't have to have perfect credit, so don't think that you have to have fantastic credit, because you don't. We're getting people in vehicles that, less than perfect credit. No down payment is happening in a lot of cases. So you can actually go on our website and fill out an application form and get pre-approved for your financing. If you got any questions, feel free to give us a phone call at 740-992-4443. Hope you have a great day.